Yeah, yes, I'm so relieved and happy that this matter is finally over. I've been going through hell since the day of my arrest on the 18th of April until I got bail and the charges were dropped against me. Yeah, it takes a toll on my family. We've been suffering a lot, but I had, fortunately, I had the support of my family. They've been supporting me from the day one of my arrest up until today. Yes, so I'm so happy, so delighted that this matter is finally over.
I know you've been maintaining your innocence in this particular case. Are you able to take us back to what the state charged you with and the day in particular when Bester escaped? Were you on duty? What do you remember about that day?
The day of the escape, I was not on duty because I knocked off at 3 o'clock on Monday, around 3 o'clock in the afternoon. So the following day, on Tuesday, 7 o'clock at the debriefing, that's where we briefed about the inmate who have committed suicide.
Why do you think they thought you were somebody who assisted in this matter?
Yeah, what I can say is they thought that I was part and parcel of this whole thing. I was accused of assisting with the cops, allowing the vehicle into the prison that was going to drop whatever. I was not even aware of that because I was distracted on my where I was working. So I even called the supervisor to come and assist me. Then the supervisor was called somewhere to respond to an incident. That's how this the van managed to get in. But I didn't allow the van.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mkosi Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Ama-charges sewadrophiwe adrophe NPA ma-charges lebiwabukene anamutenyane amasukela uMutenyane Masukela uyijifu as former employee kanye awa accused angeliqala loku assista uThabo Bester kokuthi escape ke sana. So naye bekayi-co-accused ke kuleli qala ahamba nalabanye nabo laba accusiwe o laba hambela leli qala laba seThabo Bester nabo laba sifakile usandla. So bafola nje ilayini lapha enkantolo sibabone akokuthi hey diyakhala so yena ngilo wabeka isandla emlonyeni ngilobe kakhuluma nje ngilo wabeka isandla emlonyeni uyasho nje ukuthi feel so relieved not that my charges labe wabukene nawo NPA wadrophile because this thing affect impilo yakhe unemndeni affect ke yonke indeni. Uyasho ukuthi yena he was not part of this whole thing, akati lutho yena nethi ngoba phela vele basuke bampenda ngemsobho inyama angakayidlanga. So kubhlungu kakhulu nje accuse nga something lo ngakayindi, kubhlungu ngendlela lesimanga because kumosha kade indoda yakhe impilo yakho yime balapha keningi bakubuke njengemgulukudu nje uvele nje kumoshakala everything yakho. So people are now saying ukuthi ye wena kahle usuwe state for ukuthi abak-arreste awungeke intanga lutho for wrongful arrest. We know ukuthi abantu bayaganya baganyiswe ngilo. If utholakala uboshwa unganaliqala badrop ama-charges une-right yokusuka state, but if kukuthi nabo bendela iphutha vele unesandla uyati na ukuthi osekufuna vele udle phansi uthule uthi do because once wavusa indzaba bese kuyaphenywa bese kuyatholakala osivele bokhona qo, but ivele you don't know anything une-right yokuthi usuwe state. So please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. Goodbye.